So today we have a couple big things. Well, for sure one big thing happening. I think whenever the moon changes sign is also a big thing, but that's just me. My name is Sarah. I'm a mom and an astrologist. If you want to learn about these things in writing, check out that space. It tells you all the things. So the first thing that happens today is in the afternoon, we go from the Leo vibe of the moon to a Virgo one. Whenever there's a Virgo moon, I always recommend to speak nicely to yourself and others because there's an element of criticalness. It's a really great time to get things done. I could imagine a lot of spring cleaning happening this weekend. It is the season for it after all, is it not? The other thing that's happening is Mars is going to move into Pisces. And when we think of Pisces, we think of that undeniable, what is the word I'm looking for? A love that just never ends. Tell me in the comments. My mind is just not working well today. Mars is our action. It is our drive. It is our anger. It's how we process it. If you have a natal Mars in Pisces, you probably are slow to boil when it comes to anger. Or if you get angry at all, it might be an explosion like a water eruption. But it can also be a fighter for peace because Pisces is about peace. There's a little bit of escapism as well. I think it's really interesting that the ruler of this lunar eclipse is Venus, who is in Pisces right now. And the ruler of the Aries solar eclipse will be Mars, which will be in Pisces. So I find that interesting. So I feel like these eclipses that are coming up, because of the rulerships being in Pisces, might feel a little bit softer. To me, Mars in Pisces is something that is more intuitive and following your gut and really listening and responding to it. If you get my emails, I go through what it could mean. I did that last Saturday. It's also in my Patreon, so if you're interested in that kind of thing, be sure to check out those two places. Let me know how this resonates with you.